First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. This today's launch of this National Viral Hepatitis Control Program in our state, uh, we have been able to do with the blessing of our Health Minister, Shri Auloo Libangji, because this gives us an opportunity. Because earlier we could not launch this, but at the same time we have been doing some works behind uh, on hepatitis, despite the COVID situation throughout last year. So we have put people on some 6 patients we have put on hepatitis C treatment. So the treatment is ongoing now. So in a month or so, we'll be doing the viral load testing and find out whether they have viral load virus has cleared from the body. That is with regards to hepatitis C. Now in this viral hepatitis control program, there are 5 viruses, 5 viruses hai, A, B, C, D and E. So A and they are waterborne. But hepatitis B and C and D, they are bloodborne, just like HIV/AIDS. So transmission is through body fluid, through infected blood transmission, then use of unsterilized needle syringes. So that issues very quite similar with HIV/AIDS. So ये hepatitis control program अभी in the country, it was launched in 2018, July 18th. July 18th is the day of World Hepatitis Day है. So अभी Arunachal also we have done some capacity building. जिसमें doctors have been trained, microbiologists have been trained, lab technicians and data people have been trained. Now that has happened at the state level. We have gone to Delhi or Kolkata, but अभी with this launch now this pipeline में अभी आगे ले जाना है. We have to increase the capacity, train all the doctors, nurses, lab technicians, and also number 2 on the prevention side, ये disease prevent कर सकता है. So उसमें we have to create lot of awareness in the community. So Mantri ji was advising us to create this awareness, and then also we need to do a lot of screening. So that we are planning. So as of now we do have problem of hepatitis B, particularly in Arunachal Pradesh, but we did not know how much is the problem. So that will happen when the screening is done. And the beautiful part of this is hepatitis C में definite treatment. 3 months of treatment with the medicines which the government of India is giving us. This at free of cost. Even tests will be free. Everything will be free in this program.
So the COVID active cases has been declining. Do you think the people are getting less interested or less awareness on COVID-19?
I would say there are a lot of factors with this decline. The decline is also, the transmission is also taking, that people are now more aware and they are also taking this message. But also there's fear for testing is there. So that is also not happening. So I can say we are declining like with the rest. If you see the national picture also, as a country as a whole, there's a decline in the COVID. Earlier it used to be something every day, more than 95,000 cases. Today, if you speak, it is around 20,000 per day in the country. In Arunachal, we are sometimes getting nil report, sometimes single digit, sometimes 10 to 15 like that. So that's definitely there's a decline. So that's a good news. Now we are now focusing on the new variant virus. Also, the vaccination is also in the pipeline. So shortly, Government of India will let us know when actually the vaccine will come and then what. So if you see, vaccination में अभी बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. Dry run is taking place in all the districts to see how the modalities, the logistics, and how our health team is ready to handle this vaccine. Well, there's a lot of experience on the vaccination because immunization चल रहा है. So there's not only thing you have to. They are oriented on COVID vaccine.
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, आज नेशनल वायरल हेपेटाइटिस कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम आज लॉन्च करके मैं बहुत खुशी है, क्योंकि मेरा स्टेट का जो हेपेटाइटिस जितना भी प्रॉब्लम है उसको 2030 तक इरेडिकेशन करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जो प्रोग्राम है प्लान कर रहे हैं, उसका हमारे स्टेट में भी हम लोग साथ देके इरेडिकेट करने के लिए हम लोग ये काम करेगा। तो इसलिए मैं भी उसको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और इसी का साथ साथ हम लोग स्टेट में जितना जो हेपाटाइटिस जिसका टेस्ट नहीं किया उसको भी टेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, और जो जहाँ जिसका क्या क्या बीमार है उसको भी हम लोग जान देगा। तो इसलिए पब्लिक को भी मैं अपील करता है, जो हेपाटाइटिस बी है सी है उसको तो खुद नहीं जानेगा, तो पब्लिक को भी अवेयरनेस होकर खुद आके टेस्ट करने से भी ठीक है जहाँ में।
इसका कुछ टारगेट है क्या, कब तक ख़त्म करेंगे, बैन करेंगे?
नहीं, टारगेट टू इरेडिकेशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने टारगेट है 2030 तक। तो उससे पहले हम लोग कोशिश करना है, क्योंकि हमारा अरुणाचल का पॉपुलेशन तो ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो इस बीच में हम लोग कोशिश करने से टारगेट से पहले हम लोग अचीव कर सकना चाहिए।
सर जैसे कि कोविड के वैक्सीन आ गए हैं, तो अरुणाचल में कब तक आने की चांसेस है?
कोविड का तो इस महीना में आ जाना चाहिए।
सर चांगलांग के विजयनगर में एक ही PHC है एंड ओनली 2 वर्किंग नर्स स्टाफ एंड 1 नर्स असिस्टेंट।
हाँ।
इसके बारे में आप क्या कमेंट करना चाहेंगे?
और उसका जो प्राइवेट जो है कोरोना ट्रस्ट जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर है जहाँ हमें वो उसको दे रहे हैं।
सर हेपाटाइटिस का टेस्ट किट कब तक अवेलेबल होगा?
हेपाटाइटिस जो टेस्ट जो अभी तो यहाँ कर सकते हैं, यहाँ में कर रहे हैं, आने से टेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं और इलाज भी कर रहे हैं।
This National Viral Hepatitis Control Program, through your medium, I just want to highlight that under this program, the drugs and testing and all will be provided free. If you go like for an out-of-pocket expenditure for treating one case of hepatitis case, it goes to lakhs of rupees. These medicines which they have to take for 3 months, especially for hepatitis C, it costs them almost lakhs. So many people they discontinue halfway and all. So under this program they will be provided free. And coming to testing part, we have a rapid test kit. Then you have to check for viral load, which if you do it in private, it comes to around 7,000 or 8,000. So under this program, with some MOU with our laboratory, state laboratories will be there and all. So most of them we can provide it for free. So all the patients and all, they should hesitate and they should utilize all the drugs and tests available under this program.
So what is the age group that is likely to be affected by hepatitis?
All age groups are affected. Like for vaccination, you give a birth dose when they are born. When they are pregnant, it can transmit from mother to child, even when they are pregnant. If the mother, in the pregnancy, the pregnant woman, they undergo 3 doses of hepatitis, this one, vaccination and all. So even after birth dose, when they are born, the infant is given 3 doses under our immunization program. So no age group is this one. It's